Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's analyze the question 2. Okay, let me read it out. The velocity vector of a boat has two components. V1, the velocity of the water, and V2 is the velocity of boat relative to the water. If V1 equal to 3 meter per second and V2 equal to 5 meter per second, determine the velocity vector of the boat. So, they have given us the velocity of boat relative to the water, and they have given us velocity of water relative to the water and velocity of water. Okay, so let me draw this is velocity of boat, that is v2, relative to the water, that is 5 meter per second, and velocity of water, that is making an angle of 40 degree, with the direction of boat. Okay, 3 meter per second. So let v boat be velocity of boat relative to ground, velocity of boat relative to ground, v boat. Then what is v2? V2 equal to velocity of boat relative to the ground minus velocity of water. Okay, so what will be velocity of boat? Vector, velocity of boat, the vector equal to v2 plus v1. Okay, velocity of boat equal to v2 plus v1. Okay, so we can draw this as, this is v2 5 meter per second, this is v1 3 meter per second. Then let's resolve v1. If you resolve it, there will be a component v1 cos 40, and there will be another component v1 sin 40. This angle we don't know, let it call it as we know this angle is 40. So what I was saying, that this angle let it be alpha. Okay, this angle we know, that is 40 degree. Okay, so v2 plus v1 cos 40, what is that? v2 is 5 plus v1 cos 40 is 3 into cos 40, that will come out as 7.3 meter per second. Okay, then there is v1 sin 40, that will come out as 1.93. so what is velocity of boat? This is v boat. V boat will come out as, how do we find out v boat? That is by squaring and adding 7.3 and 1.93. This 7.3, and if we add by squaring and add 1.93, we will get it as 7.55 meter per second. And we can find out the alpha. What was alpha? This is v1 sin 40, this is v2, this is v1 cos 40, and this angle is alpha. This will be, what is this? This is 40 degree, that is v1. Okay, so this alpha will be tan alpha. We know tan alpha will be opposite side by adjacent side, that is v1 sin 40 divided by v2 plus v1 cos 40. So if we do the math, we will get alpha as 14.8 degree. How do you do that? By getting alpha as tan inverse. It is easy. So we can find out the alpha. What does this alpha means? This alpha means, even the boat looks straight, because of water velocity, the boat will move like this. If the water was still water, the boat would have moved straight, because there is a velocity of water which is acting at an angle, which is moving at an angle 40 degree. The boat will move like this. So the original path of boat, if water was straight, this is the actual path of boat, this angle alpha, that is what we got as 14.8 degree. Okay, thank you.